This is the most worn out front tire I've ever seen. That that is really, really scary. I thought that rear tire was a frightening thing. This one is way worse. I don't know how this guy did not wreck the bike. This is the Shark bike. It is completely flat spotted on this edge right here. It actually almost feels like it's going in, but it may have been underinflated at one time. This is a Battle Axe, Bridgestone Battle Axe BT022, I think it is. Yep, it's a BT022. You can't really tell that it used to be a tire. Could you imagine riding this tire in the rain? You would just be down on the pavement sliding. There's no way you would survive this tire in the rain. This thing would stick probably like glue on a nice hot summer day. Although it sounds awfully thin. There's a almost like a little hole in it right there. Something got the tire. And I don't see any cords showing. Holy cow, is this one bad. That tire, it's out of here.